Yeah, hi friend, this is Tapas and welcome to this video. So in this particular video, we will learn another very powerful function in Microsoft Excel. So that is called input message. It is there inside the data validation itself. So what we will do is, suppose I have one form or I have created some template or I have created some format. Okay, so there I want to message something. Suppose someone I want whenever my audience will come, whenever the attendees will come, so that time whenever they will visit that my sheet, that's inside that cell, whenever they will go, they will see some messages, some notes will be there. So they will suppose one field is there, they need to mention only the mobile number or only the name or only their job role, only their department. So only it should be number, only it should be alphabet, this kind of thing. So whenever they will go into that particular cell, so that time one message will be there, you enter this thing, you enter this thing, your mobile number should be there, your name should be there, your designation should be there, like this. So we will add a note, so whenever my audience will come on that platform, they will notify it, they will see what is the note, and accordingly they will provide the input. Okay, so here I will use the same for data validation purpose. I have used this report. So anyway, so suppose here one node will be there, so that designation, suppose my audience or the employee, they are not aware about that designation, how it is, it will be L1 L2 like that way, or A B C D way, or 1 2 3 4 like that way. So what I will do is I will create a node out of it. Okay, so what I will do, I will select the range first where I want to mention the note. So I have selected the range, and now I will go to data. Inside data there is data tools, and there I will go to data validation tool. Data validation tool, there's by default it will be settings. It's a different tutorial I have already shared. So if you did not see how to create a drop down, you can watch that video. There I have mentioned that how you can create, how you can use the data validation tool and you can create a drop down. Okay, so for this particular video I will use input message. So whenever our audience will come to this place, they will see one note, one message they will see. So the title is like important message or input, I would say important. So this is my title, and now I will say enter your designation as L1. So suppose this is what this is the note I want to mention, so I will give 1. So now see here, whenever I will click any, or whenever I will go just hover on the place now, so it will, this message will come, important, enter your designation as L1. Okay, so suppose I will write, then I am aware about this, my designation is like this way, so L1 L2 L5 like that, so L5. Okay, so here it is. So yeah, I think you have got the idea how we can use the input message option inside data validation, and we can create our report more efficient and more attractive. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video in a different subject. So I think you have got the idea, you use it. It is very powerful tool, and you can use for your report building and all these things. So use it, and I'm sure you will get the result out of it. Okay, so thanks.